Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials: Shopify payments enabled and a verified Google Merchant account. Now, begin in Shopify Admin. Go to Settings, then Payments, and select Shopify Payments. Enter or confirm your business, bank, and tax information so payouts will process. Once done, toggle on Google Pay in the Accelerated Checkout section. This connects the button to your payment processor. Make sure your store currency and region match Google Merchant settings. If they differ, Google Pay won't activate. Once Google Pay is toggled on, you must verify your domain in Google Merchant Center. This proves ownership and allows secure tokenized payments. Follow the Merchant Center's domain verification steps, then return to Shopify and recheck the Accelerated Checkout setting. Also, inspect your payment capture preference. Automatic capture charges cards immediately, while manual allows review before charging. Choose what fits your fraud controls. Finally, test in a private browser with a real device that has Google Pay configured to confirm the button appears and processes complete setup by running live test transactions on both desktop and mobile. Use a real payment method with Google Pay enabled. Make sure the Google Pay button appears at checkout and that orders show tokenized payment details in Shopify. If something fails, first review Google Merchant Center for pending verifications or account suspensions, then check Shopify payment logs for declined tokens or API errors. If unresolved, contact Shopify support or Google Merchant Help with Error ID. Record steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.